Hey, welcome back. So here we are ready to add new products, yes? So let's give it a shot. Before we do anything or do some checks and balances, let's just click here and add a product. So I want one like canned beef. Let's try that. I will copy it so I don't have to keep typing it. Save. Ooh, that doesn't look good. This thing didn't close, so we probably have errors. So let's inspect the elements and click console. Okay, so we have no errors whatsoever here. Very curious indeed. Let's go to our database and refresh. Did we add anything? No, we did not. So let me click save. Nothing. Now let's inspect the element on the button itself. Now, does the button have an event? Of course it does. There's an event list now. So let's click on it. So what is it looking for? Let's go to the code itself. Yes, and this is in products.php inside views. So where is the save button? Save button is here, which is collect edit data. Wait a minute, this is the edit product, so we want the add product, so collect data. Very nice. So let's go to collect data. Let's look at the stack trace here. So we are coming here. That's the first stop that we will be here. So let's make sure that everything works here. So first of all, let's see if we're going to get this error message when we don't type anything in here. Oh, please enter a valid product name. Good. So we are moving in the right direction. So what this all means is that this is where the problem is. So add product. Add product. So I think this does not exist where we are sending this data to. So where are we sending this data anyway? So they send data here, and we are sending the data root Ajax. Ooh, nice. So Ajax controller, we are coming for you here. So here we have add category, disable role, edit category, boom. So now if you notice one thing here, this controller is already kind of crowded, don't you think? So instead of us having to put more stuff here, like for the products as well, I would rather have this only handling categories when they come. So we're just going to say Ajax and change the class name to Ajax underscore category, like so. That's now a new class name, Ajax underscore category. But now, because the class name needs to be the same as the file name, we have to rename the file, of course. So I will right click here and rename Ajax underscore category and hit enter. And there we go. So let's make sure that we haven't killed anything here. So Ajax category was responding to categories inside the admin controller. So let's go back here. Oh no, actually not there. It was responding to the view. Categories view. Categories was PHP in the view. Okay, so let's come down here where we were referencing the Ajax, which is right here. So all we need to do is add category. Okay, now since every sending of data goes through the send data, it means once we change that, we've changed every time data is sent. Okay, So let's come back here and confirm that we have not queued anything. So let's go to the categories before we proceed, and let's try and enable and disable a few of these things. Click, ooh, click, click. We are in business, so that's working. Let's go back to products and view products. There we go. Add new. Paste canned beef. Yes. So what we need to do now, let's close this categories viewer here. Let's go to products.php. So here our Ajax will be redirected to Ajax products. Wait a minute. What was the other one? It's important to keep them plural or singular depending on what you're doing. So here I had used was it plural or single? Single. Yes. So we singleize it. Ajax product. So all we need to do now is duplicate this category product here. So let's come back to let me just right click and say open containing folder, copy and paste, and we will change this bad boy to product. Yes, like so. Very nice. And now we open it and change it. Obviously we're going to change all references, product, all references to category. Make sure that your search is case sensitive. So load model. Yes, category successfully added, but we'll change that to product. Wait, what's going on? Wait, find all. Okay, product. Okay, so let's go to add category. Okay, I will change all references there. Product. Ooh, quite the number. So, like that, and hope everything went well. So Ajax product, add product, good. Let's go back to products.php here. So what are we sending here? Let's edit product and add product. Good. And back to the Ajax. No, let's close Ajax category. We want Ajax product. Wait a minute. I hope I didn't change in the wrong place. Oh, okay. Still solid. I can confirm by going to categories again. I am paranoid here just in case. Okay, there we go. We are still good. Okay, so let's try now and add one product and see what error we will get. So canned beef, we are back in business, mate. So copy, save, and no love still. Let's inspect element console. We are bound to get some errors now. And there we go. So it says syntax error, json.parse unexpected character at line 1. So every time you have a json.parse error, it means the data you gave the JSON isn't valid. So there's a simple fix here. You just go to your products.php here, and let's go to the handle result function. Where are you? And let's just do a console.log of the result like this. That way we get to enjoy the error together with our browser. There we go. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, so this link here is not good. let's go back to products.php. No, actually that's not it's the sidebar with the problem here. So our view products is leading to products add there. Okay, so not what we want. We just want it to be products like this, just like categories is here. So back into business, refresh, and go back to products. Okay, good. Now here we have a few errors. So notice undefined property disabled on line 65 in products class. So let's go and check that out. Line 65, where are you? Okay, cat disabled. So now this one is happening because we don't have a disabled column in our products. So it's trying to display that, but of course we have different stuff here. So we don't need that kind of thing here. So what we need to do in make table is to remove all references to this color right here and the disabled. So out disabled row, this entire row, make sure you get the closing TD as well, table row, table data, and table row. And okay, the best way to know if you've done everything correct is to refresh the page and see if you get any more errors, and we do not. Good. The only problem is we have less data here, and this has moved here, so we need one more item here. So instead of what we did here, let me just leave the TDs there and remove everything in between them, like so, like this. Okay, and we're back. Let's refresh, and there we go. Good. Okay, so let's look at the error that we have. Canned beef, save, product added successfully. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, so things are working out. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so obviously there are more columns here in the table that we need to add. So in the next video, we'll look at how to add more columns here so that we satisfy what the product requires, like the category, the price, the quantity, etc., etc., and images also. See you in the next video.